So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create a passkey in your WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, so you should have to tap on three dot which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it and tap on settings. Now you can simply see the option of protect your account and create passkey. So tap on create passkey. Then tap on again in create passkey. Now verify with your fingerprint. Now passkey has been successfully created on my WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.